Okay, so we want to step back a little bit from what we've been doing in class, um, and look at trying to create work that is going to last, that you're going to be able to take with you out into the workforce, that is going to be sort of your professional calling card. When you get done with this class, I want you to have a portfolio of usable, professional, high quality financial models that you can take out in the workplace and not only use them to help you, impress future employers and get jobs, but also that are going to be able to be flexible and reusable, that you can build on for the rest of your career in finance or general management. And so we're going to roll it back a little bit and step back to the work that you've already done, and kind of take them up a notch, make them a little bit more functional, make them a little bit better looking and more professional. And so the first thing I want to note, so we're back into the beginning of the maze, chapter 1 here. And this over here is the income statement that you made in the first, as practice for, I guess it was the second chapter in the book, the first unit in class. And I want to, what I'm going to aim for is to create with you a model that functions the way that it should, with all three of the spreadsheets linked to each other properly, and that also is according to these best practices, as well as those that I have sort of relied upon through my career, which may not be for everybody, but I've had success with them. And so the first thing I want to do before we go diving into making modifications to the spreadsheet, I want to just kind of take you over to the Google, because if you Google professional looking spreadsheets, I didn't even know what that was over there in YouTube. I was trying to upload this video to YouTube before when I did a practice of it. Anyway, so if you Google professional looking spreadsheets, here's what you get. And so some of these are really colorful. Here's a cute little example of a bad one. Yeah, let's take a look at that one. Oh, look, somebody will make them for you for $5, right? And here's what we're calling a bad spreadsheet. I guess because the colors make your eyes hurt. Here is a pretty one, and you notice that the colors kind of look pretty together. It's visually appealing. This one as well. I like these kind of muted colors. Not everybody does. And then I also wanted to make some of you cringe that have taken the data analytics or MIS class. These are all dashboards, I guess. But we're not going to get into that in this class. You've already done that, I think. What we are going to get into is actually making functional financial models that look appealing, and that look consistent as well. So that's where we're going with this. And the first thing I want to do is, if we go back over here, let's see, get back to my preview. If we go over here then into the spreadsheet that you made already for chapter 2, you would have made an income statement here for Elvis Products, and a balance sheet here, and a cash flow statement. And so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to get those 3 statements, and what I want you to do is copy each of them, right? And then add a worksheet to the workbook and paste them in to 3 new worksheets. Okay, so you want to have 3 new worksheets. You're going to call them, I've already done that, okay? And you're going to call them, right, best practice income statement, best practice balance sheet, best practice cash flow. And then, right, I want you to empty out the second year columns and we'll start from scratch, right? We'll take the first year data as given, and you can empty out the second year columns. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here, let you catch up with me, and then we can take it from there, okay? Stop video. How do I do that? Stop.